If you are having power troubles with your Powerlifter Swivel vacuum, here are some tips. Start by plugging in your vacuum to a grounded outlet. To power on your vacuum, step on the red power switch pedal on the back of the vacuum by your foot. If there's still no power, unplug your machine from the wall. Check the entire length of the power cord for any damage. Discontinue use if any damage is found. Check to see if the outlet is working. You can test this by plugging something small, like a cell phone charger, into the outlet. Often homes have several outlets on the same breaker, and the breaker can be tripped if multiple appliances are plugged into those outlets. Try using an outlet in a different area or resetting any tripped breakers. We hope these few tips get your vacuum powered on and back to cleaning.